All right. Welcome back for another review, 5-star review by Napoleon. Today we're doing a review of thermal compound. This is for your CPU on the computer, thermal paste. All right, so this one is actually the best one in the market. So if you're ever looking for a thermal paste for your CPU, if you have a CPU overheating and need thermal paste replacement, this one is the one to go for. All right, so make sure you do your research, or proper research for it. But on my experience, this product, I loved it. I have changed my CPU thermal paste multiple times, so I highly suggest this one. So go ahead and check yourself. Go ahead, get your one if you want. All right, man, do your research. Link down in the description below. Thank you for watching. Okay, anytime now. Okay, there you go. All right, thermal compound MX-4 by Arctic. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.